Hey guys, this is my brother, Nathan, making a sandwich.
Out of hand only. Fuck mustard.
You're nice. Well, the reason why I'm making this video was I was gonna say that I don't... Oh, hold on. What the fudge? I need to find a... Maybe you could actually see me. Oh, fudge. Yeah, well, we don't have very many videos up. As you could tell, there's only 3 on my channel. Our channel.
Please subscribe!
Nathan's channel. No, it's my channel. And we're having difficulties coming up with videos, so if you could please, I'm begging you, subscribe or, like, leave a comment. What should we do? And Nathan wants to say something. Say something.
Mustard sucks.
You're just angry because Mom didn't buy mayonnaise.
I hate mayonnaise. I like mustard.
Tell me, why are brothers so annoying? Well, that's all I have to say. See ya.